Hello friends, in this video how you can fix your honor phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all friends, you are facing your honor phone screen, it's not working, or your mobile phone used to be hang sometimes, or sometimes it's too hot. So you are facing too much problem in your mobile phone, that's why you want to fix your honor phone. Then friends, first of all you have to move on setting so that you can do hard reset. Okay, after that from here you have to scroll on the down, or directly you can search on the search setting for the hard reset, or you can say factory reset, or you just scroll on the down and just tap on here system and update. After you tap on system and update, here you are going to find this icon reset. So friends, just tap on reset. When you tap on reset, from here you have to click on reset phone again, here the last icon. Okay friends, then from here first of all you have to remove your Gmail account before reset. Then after that only the reset icon will show up. Okay, if you don't know how to remove the Gmail account, then I'll show you here. Here you have to move on this users and accounts. Okay, from here you can remove your Gmail account. You can check the videos also if you don't know then. Okay friends, and friends, before you reset your mobile phone, before you fix your phone, do not forget to back up photos and videos. Okay, I'll show you here. Just move on system and update. Here's the backup and restore, so that you will not lose your photos and videos on your mobile phone. Okay friends, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.